Do you ever wonder how some YouTube channels manage to rake in cash while others struggle? What if we told you that you could turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine? Today, we're going to delve into the secrets of successful YouTubers and reveal 5 strategies that could revolutionize your approach to content creation, potentially skyrocketing your earnings. From niche domination to diversification of income streams, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned as we unravel the secret techniques that will help you monetize your YouTube channel effectively. The first secret to turning your YouTube channel into a money-making machine is to dominate a niche. Now, you might be wondering, what does it mean to dominate a niche? Well, it's all about finding that specific area of interest that you're passionate about and becoming a recognized expert in that field. Here's the thing, the internet is a vast place, and YouTube is no exception. There are millions of videos out there covering almost every topic imaginable. So, how do you set yourself apart in this crowded landscape? The answer lies in niche domination. When you focus on a specific niche, you're not trying to appeal to everyone. Instead, you're targeting a dedicated audience that shares your passion. These are the viewers who will consistently tune into your content, eagerly awaiting your next upload. Now, finding your niche isn't always easy. It requires a deep understanding of your own interests and expertise. You need to ask yourself, what am I passionate about, and what do I know a lot about? Your niche should be at the intersection of these 2 questions. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create content. But not just any content, you need to create content that adds value. Your videos should educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. It's also important to remember that dominating a niche doesn't mean you're limited to that niche forever. As your channel grows and evolves, so too can your niche. The key is to remain authentic and true to your passion. By dominating a niche, you're not just creating a YouTube channel, you're building a community of viewers who share your passion, who engage with your content, and who ultimately help to monetize your channel. And how does this lead to monetization, you ask? Well, advertisers love targeted audiences. The more specific your audience, the more valuable it is to advertisers. And that translates to higher ad revenue for you. So remember, by dominating a niche, you can attract a loyal following, which will ultimately increase your potential to monetize your channel. The second secret way is investing in high-quality production value. The truth is, in this digital age, viewers have come to expect a certain level of quality in the videos they consume. The sharper your video quality and the smoother your audio, the more likely viewers are to stick around, engage with your content, and subscribe to your channel. Now, when we talk about high-quality production value, we're not just talking about having a high-end camera or state-of-the-art equipment. Sure, those can help, but they're not the be-all and end-all. The key here is to make the most of what you have and constantly strive to improve. Let's start with your equipment. If you're just starting out and don't have the budget for a top-of-the-line camera, don't fret. Many smartphones today have incredible cameras that can shoot in high definition. Use what you have and make it work. Next, consider your lighting. Good lighting can make a world of difference in your videos. It can turn a dull, poorly lit video into a vibrant, visually appealing one. If you can't afford professional lighting equipment, make use of natural light or experiment with different household lights. Then there's the editing. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Learn to use video editing software to clean up your footage, add effects, and make your videos more engaging. There are plenty of free and affordable editing tools out there that can help you get started. Lastly, don't forget about your audio. Crisp, clear audio is just as important as high-quality video. Invest in a good microphone and make sure your recording environment is as quiet as possible to minimize background noise. Remember, high-quality production value is not about having the most expensive equipment. It's about using what you have to create the best possible content. With high-quality production value, you not only attract more viewers, but also potential advertisers. Moving on to the third secret way, building a strong brand presence. This is a game changer in your journey to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. In the vast ocean of YouTube content, a strong brand presence helps your channel stand out. It's like a beacon to viewers, guiding them to your content amidst the noise. So how do you build this strong brand presence? Firstly, start by developing a recognizable brand identity. This includes elements like a unique logo, a consistent color scheme, and engaging channel art. These elements become your visual signature, instantly recognizable to your viewers, and they help to create a sense of familiarity and trust. But your brand is not just about visuals. It's also about the voice you use in your videos, the values you stand for, and the community you build. These components shape the perception of your channel, making it more than just a collection of videos, but a brand that viewers can connect with on a deeper level. Next, let's talk about your channel trailer. This is your chance to make a powerful first impression. Your trailer should be compelling and should succinctly capture the essence of your content. It's like a movie preview, exciting and enticing viewers to subscribe and watch more of your content. But remember, consistency is key. Your brand elements should remain consistent across all your videos and social media platforms. This consistency reinforces your brand identity and builds a cohesive image in the minds of your viewers. Finally, a strong brand presence has another significant advantage. It attracts potential collaborations and sponsorships. Brands and businesses are always on the lookout for influencers with a strong brand presence for their marketing campaigns. By establishing a recognizable and consistent brand, you become a more attractive prospect for these opportunities. Remember, a strong brand presence not only retains loyal subscribers, but also attracts potential collaborations and sponsorships. So, let's get branding. The fourth secret way is all about community engagement. It's not enough to simply upload content and hope for views. The magic happens when you actively engage with your audience. You see, YouTube is more than just a platform for video sharing. It's a community. And the more you involve yourself in this community, the more you'll stand out and the more your channel will grow. Think about it. How would you feel if your favorite YouTuber responded to your comment or mentioned you in a video? You'd feel valued, right? That's exactly how your subscribers feel when you interact with them. Responding to comments, for example, is a fantastic way to foster a sense of community. It shows your audience that you value their input and appreciate their support. But let's not stop at comments. Take it a step further. How about holding Q&A sessions or live streams? These are excellent opportunities to not only answer questions, but also to get to know your viewers on a more personal level. It's like inviting them into your world, and who wouldn't want to be a part of that? Another fantastic approach is asking your viewers for suggestions. What content do they want to see? Do they have any ideas for future videos? This not only provides you with valuable insights, but also makes your viewers feel involved. They'll feel like they're part of your creative process, and that's a powerful thing. Remember, people don't subscribe to channels, they subscribe to people. So, show your audience that there's a real person behind the screen. Show them that you care, show them that they matter, and in return, they'll show you their loyalty. Engaging with your community not only strengthens your relationship with subscribers, but also boosts your channel's visibility and increases the potential for monetization. So don't be a stranger. Dive into your comments section, host a live stream, ask for suggestions, engage, interact, connect. Because at the end of the day, it's your community that turns your YouTube channel into a true money-making machine. The fifth and final secret way is to diversify your income streams. You see, while ad revenue can provide a steady income, it's not always the most reliable. Advertisers can pull out, ad rates can fluctuate, and let's not forget the infamous adpocalypse. So, how do you safeguard your YouTube earnings? Diversification is the answer. Think of your YouTube channel as an investment portfolio. You wouldn't want to put all your eggs in one basket, would you? The same principle applies here. By diversifying, you're not just relying on one income stream, but multiple. This way, even if one stream dries up, you've got others to fall back on. So what are some ways to diversify? Well, one of the most popular ways is through sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. And if your content aligns with their brand, you've got a match made in heaven. Another way is through merchandise sales. Got a catchy slogan or a cool logo? Why not slap it on a t-shirt and sell it to your loyal fans? It's a great way to monetize your brand and boost your income. Finally, there's crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon allow your fans to support you directly. In return, you can offer them exclusive content, early access to videos, or even a shout-out in your next video. By diversifying your income streams, you can maximize your earning potential and turn your YouTube channel into a true money-making machine. So what are you waiting for? Start applying these secret ways today.